In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a website through SSH in Siteground. SSH, or Secure Shell, is a network protocol that provides a secure way to access a computer over an unsecured network. When managing websites through Siteground, SSH is a valuable tool that can give you command line access to your hosting account, allowing you to manage files, databases, and more efficiently. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is visit Siteground's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Siteground's URL. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't visited the site before. It's designed to be user-friendly, making navigation a breeze even if you're new to web hosting. Next, you'll want to log into your Siteground account. You can find the login button clearly displayed on the home page. After clicking it, you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Make sure your login details are entered correctly to avoid any hiccups accessing your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your Siteground dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of the services you're using. Look for My Siteground and click on that to access your account settings and tools. From the My Siteground account section, navigate to Site Tools. This area of the dashboard provides a comprehensive suite of tools for managing your website, from performance optimization to security enhancements. After that, look for the Devs section. It's typically located within the same area, but if you have trouble finding it, take your time to browse through the menu options. Clicking on Devs will direct you to all the developer tools available to your account, including setting up SSH access. Within the Devs section, look specifically for something called SSH Keys Manager. This is where you'll configure new SSH keys, which are essential for establishing a secure connection to your server. The SSH Keys Manager also allows you to manage existing keys if you've set them up in the past. Now it's time to add your SSH details. You should see an option to enter the necessary information to create a new SSH key. This usually includes a description of the key and possibly some other required information depending on your specific setup. Once you've added all the appropriate details, click Create. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Siteground's interface to set up SSH access to your website. Remember, working with SSH is all about ensuring secure and efficient access to your web server. With Siteground's intuitive tools, managing your website's backend becomes a much simpler process, opening up a world of possibilities for maintenance and development. Happy hosting!